Hello students, welcome to my math class once again. So in the last class I have done chapter number 7 of exercise 7b up to question number 5. Now I shall start from question number 6. So see question number 6, what is there? Fill in the blanks with less, greater or equal symbol. Fill in the blanks with what? Greater or equal, less, greater or equal symbol. So what? Chapter 5 exercise 5b, exercise 5b, sorry, chapter 7, exercise 7b, question number 6. Okay, 6a. So 6a, what is there? You see 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. So 7 by 9 and 6, which one is greater? You need to find. So you know the like fractions. As I said earlier, what? 7 by 9 and what? 6 by 9. So what? In the box you have to write what? Which one is greater? So one thing you remember, whenever you find both the denominators are same, then with the largest numerator is the what? Greater one. The largest numerator, the fraction with the largest numerator is the what? Greater one. If the denominators are same. So this one, this symbol. Okay. Now you see question number B. Question number B, what is that? 13 by 15. Okay, and 14 by what? 15. Okay, so you see, obviously this one is what? Greater and this one is what? Less. So this symbol. Okay, now come to question number E. So rest all are same, you can do. Sorry, you see question number B, then see what? 8 by 9, then what? 8 by 13. Now earlier I said what? Whenever you see both the denominators are what? Same, then the fraction with the highest numerator is the what? Largest fraction. Here you see all the numerators are same, then what? Then the fraction with the what? Lowest denominator is the what? Greater one. So 8 by 9 greater than what? This one. So 8 by 9 is what? Greater. Okay. Now come to what? 12 by 17, 12 by 13. You see 12 by 17, 12 by what? 13. This one what? Question number D. So D, you see 12 by 17 and what? 12 by 13. Okay. Now what? Now you see what? 12 by 17 and 12 by what? 12 by 13. So all the numerators are same. Then what? Then with the, if the numerators are same, then the fraction with the least denominator is the what? Greater one. So this one is what? Greater. Okay. Now come to E. So E, what is there? 21 by 43, 21 by 43 and 21 by what? 21 by 43 and 21 by 54. So 21, question number E, you see 21 by 43 and 21 by 54. So what? Which one is greater? Obviously 43 is what? Greater. 21 by 43 is what? Greater. Okay, now you see what? Now what you see? See question number. So this one is what? This one greater. Now come to question number 7. So question number 7 is what? 1 by 2, 2 by 5. 1 by 2, 2 by 5. So whenever you see the denominators are not same, whenever you see the denominators are what? Not same, then what? Then you cross multiply, then you can get what? The answer. So what you see? 1 by 2, 2 by 5. 7a. 1 by 2 and 2 by what? 2 by what? 5. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and what? 1 by 2 and what? 2 by 5. So how to check? Since the denominators are what? Not equal and numerators also are not equal, then what? Then you what? Cross multiply. Multiply this one and this one, this one and this one. Then you will get what? Which one is greater? So 2 into 2 it is what? 4. Okay. So here you can write like this. 2 into 2 it is what? 4 and 5 into 1 it is what? 5. Here what? 4. Here what? 5. So which one is greater? 5. So this one is what? Less. 1 by 2 less than 2 by 5. Wait. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. Sorry, first you multiply. Sorry, wrongly I have said. What? First you multiply this side. First you multiply this side. First you multiply this side and next. First, okay, and second this side. So you multiply in your mind. 5 ones are what? 5. Here 5, okay, and 2 twos are 4. So obviously what? 5 greater, okay. So what? This one is greater. Okay. So like this all you do. 7b what is there? 7b what is there? 5 by 9, 6 by 7. 7b. 5 by 9, 6 by what? 7. So these things you do on the graph. Okay. So 5 sevens are 35. Okay. And 9 6 are 54. So this one. Okay. It will be that one. Okay. Now come to question number C. 3 by 9 and 7 by 21. Okay. 3 by 9, 7 by 21. So 21 3s are how much? 21 into 3. This one 3 into 6, 63. And 7 9s are what? Again 63. So both sides are what? Equal. So you can say that what? These are what? They are what? Equal. Because 63, 63. Okay. So next 2 or 3 you do. So this one what? 11 by 12, 3 by 4. These things you can do just as like this one. 7 by 14, then 8 by 16 also if you do, then you will get what? The same answer. So what? So in this case what? One thing you see, whenever you find a mixed fraction, so at that time what? So whenever you find a mixed fraction, at that time what you do? So in question number what is there? 4 11 by 21. 4 11 by what? 21, and what 5 2 by 3, 5 2 by 3. So which one is what greater? So in this case what? So in this case you see the what, both the integral part. You see this is natural and this is fractional. So from this first you what? First you compare the natural part 4 and 5. Okay, if the natural part are same, then you go for the fractional part. So since here what 4 and 5, so which one is greater? Obviously 5 is greater. Okay, so what in this case it is what, this one is what greater. So now come to question number B. Okay, 5 1 by 2, 5 1 by 2, then what 5 1 by 3, what 5 1 by 3. So obviously what, this one is greater. Now what 14 by 10, 1 4 by 10, 14 by 10, okay, 1 4 by 10. So in this case what, there is what, no what, no natural number here, what 1 is there. So obviously this one will be what greater. So come to question number E. Okay, 47 by 9, 9, and what 5 4 by 9, 5 4 by 9. So what here already one natural number is there and here no natural number. So that means what, obviously what, the mixed part, this part will be what greater. Okay. Now write in what, write in descending order. You have to write all the fraction in what, in descending order. So see question number 9. So question number 9, what is there, you see 9a. Okay, 2 by 9, comma 8 by 9, comma 6 by 9, comma 7 by 9, comma 1 4 by 9. So what, we have to write in what, in descending order. Okay, we have to write in what, in descending order, that is from bigger to small. So what, obviously what, there is no natural numbers, all are fraction, and this one is what, one natural number. Okay, that is integral part. So this one will be first bigger. So 1 4 by 9. Then you see, since all the denominators are same, then the fraction with the what, the fraction with the highest numerator is the what, greater one. So here it will be what, 9 by 8 by 9, comma 7 by 9, comma 6 by 9, comma 2 by 9. So this is the what, answer. Now come to question number B. So question number B, what is there? 15 by 13, okay, 15 by 17, 15 by 19, 15 by 21, 15 by what, 16. So what, these things we know what, that whenever we see all the numerators are what, all the numerators are what, same, then the fraction which has least denominator is the what, greater one. So the fraction which has what, least denominator, 15 by 13. So what, 15 by 13 is the what, first greater one. So 15 by 13, then what, 16, 15 by what, 16, then what, 15 by what, 17, then 15 by what, 19, then 15 by 21. 15 by what, 21. So number C you can do. See what? As like question number 9A. Okay, let me do question number C. So question number C what? 11 by 17. 11 by 17. 11 by 17. 31 by 7. 31 by 17, comma 19 by 17, comma 2 by what? 17, comma 65 by what? 17. So from this I need to see first the mixed fraction 3 1 by 17 and 2 by 17. So obviously among these 3 and 2, 3 is bigger, so I shall write this one 3 1 by 17 first, then this will come 2 by 17. Now you see all the denominators are equal, so the fraction with the highest numerator is the what? Greater one. So highest numerator, which one? 65 by 17, then what? 19 by 17, then what? 11 by 17. What? 11 by 17. Now come to question number 10. Write in what? Write in ascending order. So this is just opposite of what? Question number 9. What? Write in what? Write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Six by 7. So if you know descending, then the opposite of this one is what? Ascending. So since what? Since all the numerators are what? All the denominators are what? Equal. Then the fraction with the what? Then the fraction with the highest numerator is the what? Greater one. So and in the question it is said that what? We need to arrange in descending order. So first the smallest numerator, which one? 6 5 2. Here it is what? One mixed fraction is there, so the mixed fraction will go at last. So 6 5 4 15. So among these what? 4. So 4 by 7 will come first, then 5 by 7, then 6 by 7, then 15 by 7, then 2 3 by 7. 2 3 by 7 I wrote last. Why? Because this is what? One integral part and one what? Fractional part. So this is what? Bigger. Now come to question number B. So B what is there? 14 by 21, 14 by 21, comma 17 by 21, comma 12 by 21, comma 22 by 21, comma 1 2 by 21. So see from ascending order. Okay. So all the what? All the denominators are what? Same. So the fraction with the least numerator is the lowest fraction, and with the highest numerator is the highest fraction. So least one is what? So this is least fraction. This will remain at last. 14, 17, 12, 13. So it will come first 12. 12 by 21, then 14 by 21, then 14 by 21, then 17 by 21. Okay. Then 22 by 21, then 1 2 by 21. 1 2 by what? 21. 1 2 by 21. Okay, so question number C you can do, last one. Now what? Arrange in descending order. So same, arrange in what? Descending order, but you see Here in this case what? All the numerators, all the denominators are what? Not equal, and all the numerators also are what? Not equal. So in this case what? By taking LCM, we shall make the denominators what? Same. Okay, then what? We shall find the what? Answer. So first you see question number 11. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So what? 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 9. 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 9. 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 9. Okay. So write. First you write taking LCM of the three fractions and making them like, right, making them like fraction. Making them like fraction by taking right, like this. Making the denominator equal, then making the denominator equal and converting into like fraction. So how to make the denominator equal? Right. Therefore LCM of 3, 6, 9. First to take the LCM of 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. LCM will be what? With 3. 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9. So LCM is what? 3 2 jar 6, 6 3 jar 18. What? 18. Now like this, write 2 by 3, then 5 by 6, then what? 7 by 8. So in every case what? I need to make what? 18. Okay. So what? In every denominator will become what? 18. Which is a what? Which will lastly convert into what? Like fraction. So what? 2, how many are? 18. 2 6 are. So here will be 6. If I put 6 here, then I need to put in what? In numerator. So what? 6 2 jar 12. Here 6 3 jar 18. So 5 3 jar 15. Here 7 by 9. So 9 2 jar 18. So 7 2 jar what? 14. Okay. Now what? Now we can arrange. Right. Therefore write in descending order. In descending order, that means what? You see, in descending order, what is say? Oh, sorry, in ascending order. So to what? Convert into what? In ascending order. In ascending order. So what? Since all the denominators are same, so what? The numerator with the highest fraction is the what? The numerator with the highest numerator is the highest fraction. So here less numerator is what? 12. 12 by 18. Okay, then what? 14 by 18. Then what? 15 by 18. That is what? That is, now you write the corresponding fraction, original fraction. 12 by 18 means what? 2 by 3. First you write what? 2 by 3, comma. 14 by 18 means what? 5 by 6. Sorry, 14 by 18 means what? 7 by 9. So what? 7 by 9. Then what? 5 by 6. 15 by 18 means what? 5 by 6. So that is what answer. So like this, B and C also you can do. These all are same. Okay. So let me show question number C. So question number C, you see. So question number C, what is given? 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 2 by 5, 13 by 15. 4 by 5, okay, comma 9 by 10, comma 2 by 5, 2 by 5, comma 13 by 15. 13 by what? 15. 13 by 15. Now what? Write the LCM of, write LCM of 15, 10, 5, 15. LCM what? 15, 10, 5, 15. Equals to what? Take the LCM. 15, 10, 5, 15. 15, 10, 5, 15. What? Which 5 I can give all? 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 15. 2 15s are there. So you one with what? 4 by 5. First one is not 15, 4 by 5. So what? 5 1 are 5. 5 10, 5 15. 5 10, 5 15. Okay. So what? 5 1 are 5. Okay. Now what? 5 2 are 10, 10 3 are 30. So LCM are what? 30. 5 2 are 10. Okay. 5 2 are 10 and 10 3 are 30. So what? Now what? 4 by 5. Now what? 9 by 10. Then what? Next you write. Next what? 9 by 10, then 2 by 5, then 13 by 15. So what? We got the what? LCM as 30. So write every denominator as what? 30. Now what? 5 6 are 30. So if I write 6 here, then I need to write here 6. And 4 6 are 24. Okay. 10 3 are 3 9 are 27. Okay. Then what? 5 6 are again 30. So 6 2 are 12. Now what? 15 2 are, so 13 2 are 26. Okay. Now what? Now you arrange all these things in what? In ascending order. So right. So what? So in ascending order there will be what? First one is, you see, 24, 27, 12, 26. So first will come what? 12. 12, that means what? 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. Then what? 24, 26, 27. So 24. That means what? 4 by 5. Okay. Then what? Then 26. That is what? 13 by 15. 13 by 15. Then what? 26. Then what? 27. 9 by 10. 9 by what? 10. Okay. Okay. Now come to question number 12. It is same. Okay. Just you do and arrange them in what? In descending order. So one I am doing. Okay. It is same like what? It's same like question number 11. Okay. So question number 12 only one I am doing. It is the opposite. It is the opposite of what? Question number 11. So 2 by 4, comma 7 by 8, comma 3 by 8. So write this sentence as like earlier, making the denominator same. Okay, and converting into like question like that one is like earlier. Okay, so what? So 4. Now write LCM of what? 4, 8, 8 equals to what? 4, 8, 8. It will be what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again what? 4 2s are 8. Again what? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again with what? 2 2 1 1 1 1. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM will be what? 8. So now we arrange 2 by 4, 7 by 8, then 3 by 8. So multiply now. So in every case what we got what? 8 is a what? LCM, and the LCM of 3 numbers will be the denominator. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. 8 1s are 8, 7 1s are 7. 8 1s are 8, 3 1s are 3. Now write in descending order. Therefore, in descending order. Therefore, in descending order, it will be what? That is from what? Bigger to smaller. Since all the denominators are same, so the fraction with the highest numerator, the fraction with the highest numerator is the highest fraction, is the bigger fraction. So what? 7 3 4. So first 7 by 8, that means what? This one, 7 by 8. Next what? 4 by 8. Okay. So 4 by 8, that is what? 2 by 4. Then what? 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Okay. So 7 by 8 first. Okay. Then what? 2 by 4. Then third is what? 3 by 8. Okay. Now come to 3. Reduce the fraction to lowest term. That means what? You have to what? Reduce the fraction to the lowest term. That means what? By cancelling. Okay. So see. So see question number. So question number 13. So question number 13 is what? 3 by 9. 3 by 9. So cancel. 3 by 9 I can cancel like this. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. It is what? 1 by 3. Now it is in what? Lowest term, because what? We cannot further divide it. Okay. Next what? Number B. 8 by what? 18. With 2 I can cancel. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Okay. So answer will be what? 4 by 9, because now we cannot cancel 4 and 9 with the same numbers. Okay. So it is in what? Lowest form. Now what? Number E, number D you see 30 and what? 75. So what? So with 5 you can cancel. 5 6 are 30, 5 15 are 75, 3 2 are 6, and 3 5 are 15. Okay. So 2 by 5 is the what? Lowest term. Now come to what? E. What is there? 3144 by what? 80. So cancel with 2. 42s are 80. Then this is 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 22s are 40. This one if I cancel, then 2 3s are 6. Then remain. Then 6 2s are 12. Okay. Then this one 2 10s are. So if I cancel this one, then 18 2s are 36. Now that 5 2s are. Okay. Then this one what? 9 jar. Now answer will be what? 9 by 5. I cannot divide further. Okay. Now come to question number 14. What is there? Which of these are in lowest term? That means what? Now you have to check that like this. What? This is the lowest term. Now in the question it is said that what? Which are in the what? Lowest term. That means what? They cannot be further divided. So 3 by 11 we cannot divide further. So 3 by is in lowest term. So question number 14. So Roman A 3 by 11. Then what? Then which one? 5 by 20. It is what? It is not in lowest term. So 5 by 11 in what? Because 5 by what? 20. If I can what? Take 5 1 jar 5, 5 4 jar 21 by 4. So what? 5 by 20. It is what? Not in lowest term. So B is not there. So 3 by 11 it is what? Lowest term. Number B what? 5 by 20 equals to what? 1 by 4. So it is what? Not in lowest term. Okay. Number C what? 25 by 36. Yes, it is in lowest term because 25 and 36 I cannot cancel with the same numbers. So it is what? Is in lowest term. Now come to D 40 by 41. So D also. Number D also what? 40 by 41. This is also what? I cannot divide with the same numbers. So this is in lowest term. Now number E, what is there? 72 by 61. This is also in lowest term. You cannot divide. You can check at your home. But you cannot divide these two numbers with the same numbers. How I can divide this 5 by 20 with what? 5 1 jar 5, 5 4 jar 20. Like this what? These things we cannot divide with the same numbers. Okay. Now come to exercise 7C. So exercise 7C is what? Add. So see how to add. Now what? Exercise 7C. Exercise 7C. So in exercise 7C what is that? Add 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So see how to add. Number 1, 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So to add these numbers you need to what? Take the LCM of these two denominators. So if you take the LCM of these two denominators, then it will be 7. So one thing you remember, whenever you see both the denominators are same, then the LCM of these two numbers will be what? One number. Among these two, one number. 7. Okay. Among these two, take 1. And if you see that, then what? Then you divide. 7. If you divide 7 by 7, then you will get what? 1. Okay. And this 1 should be multiplied with this numerator. So if I multiply this 1 with this numerator, then what? Then I shall get what? 2 1 jar 2. 2 1 jar 2. Okay. And if I divide this one 7 by 7, how we have done this portion, then we need to do also what? This portion also. So what? 7, if I divide 7 by what? 7, then what? If I divide this one 7 by 7, then we will get what? 1. So 1 into 3, it is what again? 3. So what? So see again how to add. First you take the LCM of these two. If you take the LCM of this 7 and 7, then it will become what? 7. Okay. and then what, then you divide 7 divided by 7, it is what, 1. This 1 should be multiplied with that denominator, that numerator with which you have divided. So what, 2 1s are 2. If you divide again, then 7 1s are 7, again coming what, 1. So 1 3s are 3. And one thing you remember, no need of doing this one. If the denominators are same, if the denominators are same, then you directly add these two numbers. That is only in case of what, if the denominators are same, not in all cases. Don't be confused. Not in what, all cases. If the denominators are same, then you directly add or subtract the numbers, whatever will be there. Okay. So 2 plus 3 is what, 5 by 7. So answer is what, 5 by 7. That is the what, answer. Now come to question number. So these all are same. Now come to question number D. So question number D, what is there? 7 by 24 plus 5 by 24. So you see, since the denominators are same, so LCM will be what, 24. And if the denominators are same, then you can add this number directly. And by what, by rule also you can do, the answer will come what, same. If you divide, then 24 divided by 24, it is what, 1. 1 into 7 7. Then 24 divided by 24, it is 1. 1 into 5, it is 5. So it is what, 12 by 24. Okay. Now this one I can take it to what, lowest term. How? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So answer is what, half. So answer is what, half. Okay. Now come to question number C. 4 by 13, 6 by 13. 4 by 13 plus 6 by what, 13. So it will be what, 13 LCM. Then 4 plus 6 directly. Okay. If the denominators are same. So this is only in case of if the denominators are same, not in all cases. Remember that, not in all cases. Only if the denominators are same, then you directly add. Okay. Remember that one. 13. So it is 10. So I cannot divide this fraction further. So that is the answer. So 10 by what, 13 is the required answer. Now come to question number. You see question number 2, same thing. Okay. So you see that denominators are same. Okay. So from question number 2 I am solving what. So let me solve two questions from question number 2. These all are same. Okay. So which one? The bigger one I am solving. Okay. First is what, 2C I am solving. 13 by 15 plus 7 by what, 15. So what, 15 plus 13 plus 7 directly. It will take what, less time. So 13 plus 7, it is what, 20. Okay. So what, now we can what, further divide with 5. 5 3s are 5 4s are. So what, 4 by 3. Okay. 4 by 3. So it is what, 4 by 3 is what, improper fraction. So take into what, mixed fraction. So it will be what, 3 1s are 3 and 1, 1 by 3. Okay. How? By dividing, you see. This one already I have shown. 3, you divide 4 like this. So 3 1s are 3 and given what, 1. So this divisor will act as a what, denominator. This quotient will be acting as a what, this natural number, this integral part, and this remainder will act as a what, numerator. Okay. Now question number D. 87 by what, 100 plus 23 by what, 100. So answer will be what, 100. Then what, 87 plus 23. Directly you add. If the denominators are same, and add all the numerators. What, 0, 8 plus 2 0, it is what, 11, 110. 110. So 110 by 100. Okay. That means what, 110 by what, 100. So if you do this one, so it will be like this. If you cancel, then what, 11 by what, 10. So it will be what, 10 1s are 10 and 1, remainder 1. Okay. So that is in what, mixed fraction. That is in what, mixed fraction. Now come to question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is what? 1 3 by 8 plus 2 1 by 8, 5 by 6 plus 3 1 by 6. So what? First you break the mixed fraction, then you add. First you what? Break the mixed fraction, then you what? Add. So question number 3. 1 3 by 8 plus 2 1 by 8, 2 1 by 8. So first you what? Break the fraction. 8 1s are 8 and add this numerator. So 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 8. Okay, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17, 17 by 8. Now so as like earlier, both the denominators are same, so LCM will be 8. So you divide 8 divided by 8, so I can directly add because the denominators are same. So 7 plus 1 8 and 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 28 by what? 28 by 8. Now we cancel it. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now again 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 8. Now what came? 7 by 2. Now take into what? Mixed fraction. It will be like this. 2 3s are 6 and 1, remainder 1. So 3 1 by 2. What? 3 1 by 2. Okay, now come to question number C. These all are same. Okay, the bigger one is question number D. All are in the same process. You can plus 4 what? 11 by 80. Okay, so what? First you break 19 by 80 plus this one. If you what? Break, then 4 8s are 32. So 320 plus 11. It will be what? 313. Okay, 331. 331 by 80. Since the denominators are same, so you can directly add the numerator. Okay, so add 331 into what? Plus 9. 0. 3 plus 1 4 and 1 5. 3. 350. Okay, 350 by what? 80. Now cancel this 0. Remain what? 35 by what? 35 by what? 8. Okay, remain what? 35 by 35 by what? 8. So I can do like this. If I take into mix, then what? 8. So 8 4s are 32, 33, 34, 35. Remain what? 3. Here you write 3. Okay. Now what? So this one, how to take in mixed fraction? This one already I have shown. So what? By dividing you take. Okay, as like earlier. Now come to question number 4. Subtract 8 by 15 minus 2 by 15. So these are same. Just earlier we have done what? Addition. Now subtraction. These all are same. Okay, so question number 4 only 2 I am showing. Okay, because the process, the methods are same method, only digits are changed. Okay, 8 by 15 minus 2 by what? 15. So what? 15 15 same, so I can directly subtract. So 8 minus 2 is what? 6 by 15. Now what? Cancel it. 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. It is what? 2 by 5, and it is in proper fraction, so no need of taking in mixed fraction. So what? Now come to question number D. The big one you see. Question number D. What? 10 5 by 18. 5 7 by 18. So break fast. It will be what? 180. Okay. 10 into 18 180. 180 plus 5 185 by 18. minus 5 18 jar 90, 90 plus 7 97, 97 by what 18. Now what, take 18, since the denominator same, so I can directly subtract 85 minus what 97. So 185 minus what 97, so it is what 15 minus 7 8, here remain what 9, 97, so here remain what 7. So if I take from there, so it is what 17, it will be what 88, it will be what so it will be what 88. So if I subtract, then it will be what 88 by what 18. Now you can cancel this one. 9 2 jar 18, with 2 I am cancelling, 44 2 jar 88. Then again what 9. Now what, I cannot divide this one, so what, now you take this one into what mixed fraction. So we take this one, then so 5 9 jar 45, so 4 9 jar 36, and mean what 14 minus 6 8. Okay, so I can write like this one 9 4 and here 8, that is the answer. Okay, 4 8 by 9, 4 8 by 9. Okay, now come to question number 3. Now what, now additions of what 3 numbers. Now what, additions of what 3 numbers. Now what, additions of 3 numbers. So additions of 3 numbers, that is what, one fraction extra we need to add. Okay, so what to write, if you see the denominators are same, then you have to do like this. Directly you can do, it will take what less time. But if the denominators are not same, then in this case what, you need to take LCM. So we shall do these things. Okay, number 5, you see what 4 by 35 plus 8 by 35 plus 3 by 35. Since all the denominators are what same, so what, you can take 35 as a what denominator, and we know that if the denominators are same, then we can what add all the numerators. So it will be what 4 plus 8 plus 3, it will be what 4 plus 8 plus 3. So what 8 plus 3, it is what 11, 11 plus 4, it is what 15, 15 by what 35. Now cancel it with what 5, 5 3 jar and 5 7 jar, so it is what 3 by 7, that is what answer. Now what, now come to question number C. Question number C, what is there, 4 by 51, 4 by 51 plus 24 by 51 plus 23 by 51. So it will be what, all the denominators are same, so I shall take what 51 as a what LCM. Now what, since all the denominators are same, so I can add all the numerators. This is what shortcut way. Okay, and and in this method also I have shown earlier already that 51 divided by 51, 1 into 4, it is 4. 51 divided by 51, again what 1 coming, 1 into 24, it is 24, and 51 divided by 51, 1 coming, so 1 into 23, it is what 23. So in this way also same. Okay, but this is possible, and or this is applicable only in case of if the denominators are same, if the denominators of the fractions are same. So 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, then 2 plus 2, it is what 4. Okay, 4 plus and 1 5, again what 51 by 51, so I can cancel 1, so answer will be what 1. Okay, now come to what question number 6. So question number 6 also same. First you what, break the mixed fraction. Okay, so see question number 6a. So question number 6a, what is there? 1 4/35 plus 2 8/35 plus 3 3/35. Okay, now what, those are mixed fraction. I need to what, I need to convert 1 4/35, 2 8/35, 3 3/35. Okay, 35 was 35 plus 4 39, 39/35 plus 35 to jar 70, 70 plus 8 78. Okay, how to break, you know, this one, this one and this one you multiply and what, and add the numerator. Okay, that is what, 35 into 3, then what, plus 3. Like this you do in every cases. So 3 5 jar 15, 3 3 jar 9 and 1 10 plus 3, that is what, 8, 108. So what, 108/35, 108 by what, 35. Now what, since all the denominators are same, so I can write what, 35 is a LCM. I can take LCM 35. So since all the denominators are same, so I can add all the numerators. 39 plus 78 plus 108. Now add it. 108, 108, then 78, then 39. Add it. 8 plus 8 what, 16. 16 plus 9 25. 25 and remain what, 2. Then 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 it is what, 12 and remain what, 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 by what, 35. 2 to 5 by what, 35. Okay, now what, you cancel with 5. 5 4 jar 20, remain what, 15. 5 3 jar 15. Okay, now this one 5 7 jar. Now what, I cannot divide further. Now it is a what, it is a what, 43/7. It is what, so write this one here. It is what, improper fraction, so make it what, proper fraction. Okay, make it what, make it proper fraction. So how, divide. So what, 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are what, 42, remain what, 1. So 1 here. So 6 1 by. So what, let me check this answer. So what, 1, wait, let me check, is there any mistakes. So what, here what, 15, I cut with what, with 5. 5 4 jar what, 5 4 jar 20, remain 15. 5 3 jar 15, 43. It will be what, 6 1 by 7. Let me check another time, is there any mistakes. So what, 35 1 jar 35. So 35, 36, 37, 30, 35 plus 4 is what, 39/35 plus what, 35 to the what, 70. 70 plus 8 it is what, 78. Okay, now what, now 35 into into 3, it is what 15. Then what 3 3 is 9 and 1 10, 105. 105 plus 3 by 35, 2 8 by 35, 2 8 by 35, 1 4 by 35. So here you see what, so answer came out 108. 108 by what, 35. So what, now add 108. So what, 108 16. $25. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 12. And remain what, 2. And remain 12 2 and 1 1 plus 1 2. It is what, 2 to 5 by what, 35. So if I cancel, then this one, okay, 6 what, 6 1 by 7. So I think this is the what correct answer. So if I divide this one, then what, 43. If I divide with 7, then 7s 42. Now what, 1. So I can write like this, 6 1 by 7. 6 1 by 7. So this one what, with 5. So with 5 we can say 2 2 5. If I do with 5, then 5 4s are, yes sorry, yes, there is wrong. This one you do, this portion you do. Here what, here came what, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 by what, 35. So what, 5 4s are what, 20. Remain what, 2. So 5 5s are 25, and this one with 7. So the answer will be what, like this. Now it is correct. Now what, 45 by 7. So if it is 45 by 7, then what, then 7, then I can take this one into mixed fraction right here, okay. 7 6 are 42, 43 44 45, remain what, 3, okay. 6 3 by 7. So this is the what, correct answer. Okay, now come to question number C. So question number C. So question number C, what is there? 6C. 10 1 by 70 plus 48 by 70 plus 9 by what, 70, plus 9 by what, 70. Okay, so what, first we break this mixed fraction. So it will be what, 10 into 7, it is what, 70. So 700. 10 into 7, like this you do, 10 into 70, then what, plus 1. So 7 1s are 7, 2 zeros, plus 1 is what, 701. So what, 701 by what, 70 plus 48 by 70 plus 9 by what, 70. Now what, 70, since all the numerators are same, so I took what, 70 as a LCM. Now I can add directly, since the denominators are same, so I can add directly. Now what, 70 by what, let us check. What, 701 plus 9 by 20 or what, let me check the question. 10 by 170, 10 1 by 70, 48 by 70, and 9 by 70. Okay, now what, 48, then what, 9. So 8 plus 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, and 1 4 and 1 5, 7 5 8. What, 7 5 8. Now cancel it. If I cancel this one 758 with 2, then what? 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar 6, and remain what? 1 15. Then 2 7 jar what? 14. Then 2 9 jar 18. Okay, and 70 35 2 jar. Okay, 3 2 jar 6, 7 1 10, 5 2 jar 10. Now what? With 7, let me try. With 7, if I cancel, then let me check. With 7, 7, what? 379 by 35. So let me check whether it get cancelled with what? 35 can be divisible by what? Only with what? 5 and 7. So with 5 it is not possible. Let me try with 7. So 379 with 7. How much? 5 7 jar 35. Remain what? 9. 29. So it is not divisible. Now what I need to what? Take this one into mixed fraction. So let me take into mixed fraction. What will be there? 379 divided by what? 35. Okay. So what? 35 1 jar what? 35. Okay. Now what? 7 minus 2 is what? 7 minus 8 is 2. So 2 I cannot divide. Now what? I took what? 9. So this one also what? This one also I cannot divide. 1 0. I shall give, because I cannot divide. I have taken 2 at a time, so I shall put what? 1 0. So answer will be what? 379 by 35. So if I take into mixed fraction, then it will be what? 35 here. Okay. This one here what? 29. Okay. Sorry, 10. And this one here what? 29. 20 what? 9. 29. Okay. 29. Okay, so this is the what? Correct answer. Now come to question number. Now come to exercise 7D. So what is there in exercise 7D? Convert into like fractions and add. Now what? Convert into what? Like fractions and add. So how to convert into like fractions? First what? First we shall convert into what? Like fractions. Then what? Then we shall add all the numbers. So see how to convert into like fractions, because 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 are what? Not like fractions, but the sums whatever you have done, these all are, you see, 39 by 35, 78 by 35, 108 by 35, all are in what? Like fractions. So we have what? Added directly. But here in exercise 7D what? We cannot add directly, because what? The numbers are not in what? Like fractions. So see. So now come to what? Exercise 7D. 7D. So 7D, what is there? Convert into what? Like fractions. So how to convert into like fractions? Write first. Question number 7D. Question number 1A. What is there? 3 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So what? First you take the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, right. Converting converting into like fraction. Okay, so no need of writing this one. Okay, directly what you convert into like fraction, right? Therefore LCM of 3 and 4 will be what? 3 and 4. If I take LCM, that means what? I need to multiply because I cannot divide with any common numbers. So 3 4 are what? 12. Now what? You make 1 by 3 like this, as like earlier. 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay. Make the what? Make the denominator what? Same. Okay. So what? 3 and here what? 12. In every case is what? 12, because we got the what? LCM 12. Now if I make the denominator same, then it will become a what? Like fraction. So 3 how many is that? 12. 3 4 are 12. So if I write 4 here, then I need to write 4 here also. So 4 1s are what? 4. Here what? 4 3 are 12. So 3 if I write 3 here, then I need to write the numerator also. So 3 1s are 3. Now you see 4 by 12 and 3 by what? 12. 4 by 12 and 3 by 12. Now both are in what? Like fractions. Now write. Now adding the like fractions. Adding the what? Like fractions. Okay. So what? 4 by 12 plus 3 by what? 12. So since they are like fractions, so I can take 12 as a what? As since the denominator is same, so I can take 12 as LCM. So since the numerator is the same, so I can write directly this one 4 plus 3. So 7 by what? 12 is the answer. 7 by 12 is the what? Required answer. Now you come to question number. C. Okay. So question number C, what is there? 4 by 9, 1 by 3. Question number C, 4 by 9, 1 by 3. So LCM of 9 and 3 will be what? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 1 1. So 3 3s are what? 9. So like LCM of 9 comma 3 equals to what? 9. Therefore 4 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9. Okay, here will be what? 9. Then what? 1 by 3 into, I need to what? Make the denominator same. 9. So 3 3s are 9, so I need to put here 3. 9 1s are 9, so what? 4 1s are 4. So 4 1s are 4. Now here add. Okay, that means what? Adding the like fractions. Okay, 4 by 9. Here what? 3 1s are 3 plus what? 3 by 9. So since the denominators are same, so I can add the numerator directly. So what? 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Okay. So like this you can do. Okay. Now let me show question number last. That is what? E. 7 by 6 plus 14 by 9. 7 by 6 plus 14 by 9. Seven by 6 plus 14 by 9. 7 by 6 plus 14 by 9. Okay. So take the LCM of what? 6 and 9. 6 comma 9. You take then 3. 3 2 jar, 3 3 jar. Now what? 2 1 3. Now again what? 3. Okay. So 3 3 jar 9. 9 2 jar what? 18. Therefore write LCM of 6 comma 9 equals to what? 18. Therefore 7 by 6, 18 and 14 by 9, 18. Okay, so 6 into 3, 7 into 3, it is what? 21. So 9 into 2, it is what? 18. And here what? 14. So what? 14 into 2, 28. Now what? Now add. Okay, 21 by 18 plus 28 by what? 18. Now it will be what? 18, 18 same. Okay, so 21 plus 28. As like earlier I said that what? If the denominators are same, so what? We can add the numerators what? Directly. Now what? Add. So 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 plus 2 what? 4. 49 by what? 49 by 18. Okay. So 49 by 18 we cannot what? Divide further. So that is the what? Answer. Okay. Now come to question number 2. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So these all are same. Okay. So let me do from everyone 2. All are same process. 2 by 3, 1 by 6. Okay. So let me do question number B and question number D, and 1 and C you do. Question number B and question number D. So question number B. 2B, what is there? 3 by 10 plus 7 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 7 by what? 10. Now 10 of what's 7 by 30, I think. 7 by 30, yes. Now LCM of 10. LCM of 10. 10 and 30 will be what? 30. With 2, if I do then 2 5 jar, 2 15 jar. Okay. With 5 1 jar, 5 3 jar. So what? 5 3 jar 15, 15 2 jar what? 30. LCM of 3, LCM of 10 comma 30 equals to what? 30. Therefore 3 by 10 and 7 by what? 30. Okay, so write 30 here. 30. So 31 jar 30, here also 1. So 7 1 jar 7. 10 3 jar 30, 3 3 jar 9. Now add. If I add then 9 by 30 plus 7 by what? 30. So it will be what? 30. Since the denominators are same, so I can directly write what? 30. So 9 plus 7 I can directly write 16 by what? 30. Now cancel. 8 2s are 16, 15 2s are what? 30. So answer is what? 8 by 15. 8 by 15 is the what? Required answer. Now come to D. 9 by 20 plus 2 by 15. 9 by 20 plus 2 by 15. Question number D. 9 by 20 plus 2 by what? 15. Write LCM. LCM of 20 comma 15 will be what? 20 15 will be what? With 5 4 jar 20 and 5 3 jar. So 5 20 23 jar 60. Okay, now write 9 by 20. Okay, and here what? And here what? 9 by 20, then what? 2 by 15. Okay. Okay. So 9 by 20, here what? 60 we got LCM. So 15, 4 jar. So here 4 4 2 jar 8. Now what? 20 23 jar. So here 3 27. Okay. Now add. Now what? Now come on that side. Now what? Now add it. What? 27 add. 27 by 60 plus 8 by what? 60. Okay. Now 60 take, since the denominators are same, so I can directly add the numerator. Okay. So 27 plus 8 will be what? 15. 8 plus 7 15. 2 and 1 30. 3 35 60. Now what? With 5 I can cancel. 5 7 jar 5 12 jar. Okay, so answer is what? 7 by 12. 7 by 12 is the what? Required answer. Wait 27 by 60, 8 by 60. Which one I am doing? Nine by 20, 2 by 15. 2 by, sorry, this one I have done what? For 2 by 15 I have done. Actually it was what? 2 by 5. So this one you keep as extra. Okay, extra. Okay. Now you do what? Question number D. Actually it was 9 by 20 plus 2 by 5. I wrote what? 15, but the process is same. Okay, so now you do this one, you keep this one as extra. Okay, this one you keep as an extra. So answer you see 9 D. 9 by 20 plus what? 2 by 50, 2 by 5. Okay, so LCM will be what? 20. You check 20 plus 5, 20 and 5. If I 5 4 jar 20, 5 1 jar 5. So it will be what? 5 4 jar 20, right? LCM of 20 and 5 will be what? 20. Therefore I write what? The fraction 9 by 20. Okay, into, okay, and 2 by 5. Okay, so what? 21 jar 20, so 9 1 jar 9. 5 4 jar 20, 4 2 jar 8. Now add 9 by 20 plus 8 by 20. Okay, so 20 is the same, so 9 plus 8, 17 by 20. That is the what? Answer. 17 by 20. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 also see, I am doing 2 B so from question number 3 1 and okay, C and D I am solving. C and D from question number 3 C and D. 3 by 7 plus 4 by 9. 3 by 7 plus 4 by 9. C. Okay, 3 C. 3 by 7, 3 by 7 plus 4 by 9. 3 by 7 plus 4 by 9. Right, LCM of 3 and 7. 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. So LCM of what? 7 comma 9 will be what? 63. Okay, right, therefore 3 by 7, 4 by 9. Okay, okay, so what we got? 63 as the LCM. Okay, so 9 how much? 9 7 jar 28. Here what? 7 9 jar. Okay. So what? 3 9 jar 27 and 4 7 jar 28. Okay, now add. So if you add, then 27 by 63 plus 28 by what? 63. Okay, so 63 same, so I can add the denominator what? Directly. Okay, 63. So 8 plus 7 15, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5, 55. So what? 55 by what? 55 by 63. So what? So 55 by 63 is the what? Required answer. Okay, now I shall solve what? D. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 11. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 11. Okay, D. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 11. So what? If you take LCM, then LCM will be what? 33. LCM of 3 comma 11 will be what? 33, because we cannot divide it, so we shall multiply. So 3 11s are 33. Now write 2 by 3. In every cases it will be what? 33, and 3 by 11 it will be what? 33. So multiply. 3 11s are, so 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11 3s are, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, so if we add, then 22 by 33 plus 9 by 33. If we add, then 33 and 22 plus 9, 31. 31 by 33. This is the what? Answer. Okay, so question number 4, these things all are same. Okay, so okay, I am solving from question number 4. Only one I am solving from question number 4, because all are same. These are all are in same process. Okay, nothing is changed, only the digits are changed. So from question number 4, question I will be solving. Okay, so from question number 4 I shall solve what? Question number, I shall solve what? Question number C. Okay, it is a bit big. So question number 4, question number C. Question number 4, question number C. Question number 4C. So 4C is what? 31 by 32. 31 by 32. 32 plus 5 by 48. 48. Okay, so first you take the LCM. So what? 30 48. Take LCM. So with 2 16 jar and 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 24 jar. Again what? 2 8 jar, 2 12 jar. Again with 2 4 jar, 2 6 jar. Again with 2 2 jar, 2 3 jar. Again with 2 1 jar, 3. Again with 3 1 1. So what you are guessing? What you are getting? 2 into 2 what? Here 4. Again 2 into 2 here what? 4. Again 2 into 3 here what? 6. So 4 4s are what? 16. 16 to 6, 36, 96. Okay, so we are getting what? 96 as a what? LCM. Okay, so we can write what? LCM of 32 comma 48 96. Okay, therefore 31 by 32, we're getting what? 96, and what? 5 by 48. Okay, so what? 48. So what? So 32 how much? 32 3. 32 into 3 if I multiply, then 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, that is with 3. So what? Here if I write 3, then 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Okay, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Now this one what? Now this one what? 48. So 48, I think 2s are 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 96. So 2s are, so 5 2s are 10. 10 by what? 96. Okay. Now what? Now you add. Now add. Now add. So if I add, then 93 by 96. Okay. 93 by 96 plus 10 by 96. Okay. So if I add, then 96 here. Okay, and 93 plus 10, it is what? 94. 94 by what? 96. Sorry, 94 why? Sorry, not 94. It is what? 93 plus 10. It is what? 3. 103. Okay. So 103 by what? 96. So this is the what? Required answer. 103 by what? 96. And what? And today up to this. And if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.